The callback method. How to get women to chase you. Most men believe that getting a woman's attention means constantly texting, planning dates, and doing everything possible to impress her. But what if the secret to attraction was the opposite? What if stepping back made her want you more? This is exactly what the callback method does. It's not about playing mind games or being manipulative. It's about creating space that makes her feel drawn to you. This method works because it taps into basic human psychology. People tend to want what they don't have, and they chase what feels slightly out of reach. By pulling back at the right moment, you make her think about you more, wonder what you're up to, and even initiate contact herself. The result? A stronger connection where she is just as invested in you as you are in her. Here's why the callback method works so well, and how you can use it to your advantage. 1. It triggers her curiosity. When you suddenly stop being as available, something interesting happens. She starts wondering about you. If you've been talking consistently or going on dates, and then you step back, she'll notice the change. She might start thinking, why hasn't he texted me today? Is he losing interest? Is he seeing someone else? Curiosity is one of the most powerful motivators in human psychology. The more she thinks about you, the more she'll feel a need to reach out. Instead of you being the one always chasing, she'll feel the urge to check in and reignite the connection herself. 2. It shows you have options. One of the fastest ways to lose a woman's attraction is by appearing too eager. If you're always the one texting first, always available, and always waiting for her response, she might assume you don't have other options. The callback method naturally shifts this dynamic. By not always initiating contact, you show that you have a life outside of her. Women are naturally attracted to men who are in demand, whether socially, professionally, or romantically. When she senses that you aren't dependent on her attention, she'll start to value your time more. This makes her more likely to invest effort into keeping your attention. 3. It gives her space to miss you. Think about your favorite food. If you could eat it every single day, it might not feel as special. But if it was suddenly unavailable for a while, you'd crave it more. The same applies to relationships. If you're constantly available, she never gets a chance to miss you. The callback method creates a temporary absence that makes her realize how much she enjoys your presence. She might start remembering how much fun your conversations were, the way you made her laugh, how comfortable she felt around you. Once she starts missing those things, she'll naturally want them back, and that means she'll take action to reconnect with you. 4. It shifts the power dynamic. In any relationship, there's a subtle power balance at play. When one person is always chasing, they give away all their power. The other person gets to dictate the pace of the relationship. But when you use the callback method, you shift that dynamic. By pulling back, you show that you're not desperate for her attention. This signals confidence, which is highly attractive. She may start thinking, if he's not reaching out, does that mean I need to? Maybe I need to put in more effort, or I'll lose him. This doesn't mean you're playing hard to get. It just means you're setting a standard that says, I deserve effort too. 5. It sparks her competitive side. Humans are naturally competitive, and this includes dating. When a woman realizes she's not the center of your world, it activates her competitive instincts. She might wonder, if he's not chasing me, does that mean he's chasing someone else? Do I have competition? This can make her more motivated to pursue you instead of taking your attention for granted. Suddenly, she's the one thinking of ways to keep you interested. 6. It forces her to invest in the relationship. A big mistake many men make is doing all the work in a relationship. They plan every date, initiate every conversation, and constantly try to impress her. But here's the truth. People value what they work for. If you always do everything for her, she won't feel the need to invest. But when you pull back, she has to put in effort to keep the connection alive. This could mean she texts you first. She suggests plans. She puts more thought into your conversations. And the more she invests, the more attached she'll become. 7. It prevents you from being friend-zoned. Women rarely friend-zone men they're attracted to. However, if you're always too available, too nice, and too predictable, she might start seeing you as just a friend. The callback method keeps a sense of mystery alive. When you don't over-communicate or reveal everything all at once, she remains intrigued. That intrigue keeps her attracted and prevents you from falling into the just a friend category. 8. It creates emotional highs and lows. Emotions drive attraction. If everything in a relationship feels flat and predictable, it can get boring fast. But when you pull back occasionally, you create emotional waves. She might feel slightly disappointed when she doesn't hear from you, but then excited when you re-engage. This creates a push and pull effect that keeps things interesting. 9. It makes your time together more valuable. When you're always available, time together feels ordinary. But when you step back, every moment you do spend with her becomes more meaningful. She'll appreciate your attention more, and the quality of your interactions will improve. 10. It gives you control over your dating life. Many men feel powerless in dating. They wait for women to text back, wonder why she lost interest, and get frustrated when things don't work out. The callback method puts you in control. Instead of chasing, you create a situation where women come to you. This not only boosts your confidence, but also helps you avoid wasting time on women who aren't genuinely interested. How to use the callback method effectively. Don't overuse it. This isn't about ghosting or disappearing for days. It's about creating space while still being engaged. Be consistent. If she reaches out, respond warmly. Don't ignore her. Just don't be the one always initiating. Keep improving yourself. Use the time away to build your life. Work on your hobbies, career, and fitness. This makes you more attractive. Know when to move on. If she never reaches out or shows no interest, she may not be the right match. The callback method reveals who's genuinely into you. Final thoughts. The callback method isn't about mind games. It's about creating balance. Instead of chasing women and hoping for their attention, you allow attraction to build naturally. By stepping back, you give her the chance to miss you, value you, and invest in you. This not only makes dating easier, but also helps you build stronger, healthier connections that last. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.